Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm baking again. It feels like it's been so long. What I'm going to be making today is some blondies, which I feel like is normally a very overly egg, dairy based thing. But I'm not going to do that because they're going to be vegan. And I have to stand up because I need to use the beater and I don't have anywhere to plug it in if I sit down. So this is really sad. To start with, I have got 150 grams of castor sugar and 100 grams of vegan butter in here, and I'm going to beat these together with 150 grams of cashew butter. The recipe normally uses peanut butter and it's kind of a peanut butter blondie, but I'm making this a kind of white chocolate cappuccino blondie. I wanted it to be a slightly more neutral flavour. I didn't want to be like, and there's peanut butter in there. There's 150 grams of cashew butter here. Put it in the bowl. And I'm going to beat these together until they're like coming together and nice and smooth. Okay, they're fully combined. So into that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a flax egg, which I made earlier. This is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water that's just been sitting in the fridge for a bit. And just mix them in. And then I'm also adding in 100 grams of self-raising flour, a good pinch of salt, that's about half a teaspoon. And then some chocolate. I've got 50 grams of dark chocolate chips here and 50 grams of the Sainsbury's white chocolate bar. I've just chopped those up a bit. Add them in. And again, just mix those in. And just to finish this off, I'm going to add in some coffee. I've brewed some really strong coffee, so it was about a tablespoon of coffee grounds and then just covered it with boiling water. So I've got about 3 tablespoons in here and I'm just gonna add that in. That's all mixed together now. I'm going to put that into a lined 8-inch square tin. Down. And now I'm going to bake this at 170 degrees C for about 25-30 minutes. The blondie is now out of the oven and it's just cooling. It was in there for half an hour, and I'm going to make a coffee and white chocolate ganache to go on top. In a saucepan at the moment, I've got 75 grams of soya cream heating up with another tablespoon of the coffee. And then I've got 50 grams of white chocolate in here. So when the cream is just about simmering, not really bubbling or anything, then I'm going to pour it over, let it sit for a bit, and let the white chocolate melt. Okay, the white chocolate's all melted, so I'm just going to leave this to cool down and hopefully thicken up a little bit. That's really good. So apparently the white chocolate is not setting, so I'm going to turn it into a buttercream. I've added into this 50 grams of vegan butter and 200 grams of icing sugar. Oh, that is so good. Got my blondie out of the tin. Oh, this is way too much. And then I'm also just going to dust it with cocoa powder to give it a cappuccino style look. I'm so excited about this. Thank you for watching this video. Please come back and watch more. I'm planning for future videos to basically be baking related. I've been making savoury stuff and that's not really what I do. The stuff I make is fine, but it's not like really good. I'm hoping to probably give myself diabetes and just make more baking stuff. So if you're interested in vegan baking, subscribe, like this video, view this video. I'll see you next time for more baking stuff. Bye!